cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy. I am currently at the mall right now. I'm about to give y'all this early review for a shoe that I will be getting. But I wanted to get it right now because they dropped Black Friday or the day before Black Friday. I don't know the exact date, but I will give y'all the exact date once I get back home. But I will be in New York, if I'm not mistaken, that week. So I will not have them in hand when they drop. So I wanted to give y'all this early review right now. So on my way to the spot right now so y'all can get that review. And after that, we're going to go back home. Or I'll probably just do it in the car or whatever like that. Give y'all some proper information like release date, retail price, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that and see y'all in a little bit. Okay. As you can see, we got this black splattered, black splattered box with a Jumpman in the center. I actually like this. Give me like the cement vibes. Anyway, Air Jordan 4 Retro Black. We know what it is, graphite. This is size 10.5. It is a personal pair, but I wanted to give y'all, this 10.5 is not a personal pair, but I just want to give y'all this early review. I hate when it wrapped up. Hold on, give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, all right. So I didn't want to take the time to unwrap it, but right here we got the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. All right, boom. Okay, we had the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. First off, before I get into the shoe, detail the shoe, I'm gonna show it everything. Like, I'm gonna show you everything. But I just want to apologize for me rushing through that first part of this look at it. It's just like, I feel like my last couple of videos, I take so long to start the details or the commentary of the video because the shoes be so wrapped up. It takes me forever to get them unwrapped. So anyway, we got the Air Jordan Air Jordan 4 Black Cat, excuse me. All black upper, you see that, with this black graphite, what is this, suede? Yeah, suede upper. Let me fix this real quick. You see this tongue. Got the Jumpman on the tongue with flight underneath the Jumpman. Boom, there you go right there. Black laces, black pull tab, Nike Air on the back. I mean, it's just an all black shoe. I don't really know what more I can say. Last time the shoe came out, I gotta actually get some details about that, but I think it was like 2002 or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, just an all black shoe. I just want to give y'all a little look at it. I'm not really going to speak too much on it because it's not too much more I can say. It's just an all black shoe. But what y'all think about this? Releasing on Black Friday or around Black Friday. But I'll give you some more information when I go back to the house. Let's go. Okay. Just got to the house. Hope everybody enjoyed that review for the early review of the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. Black Cats. Was it cats or cat? Black Cat. It's Black Cat. Anyway, got some information for y'all off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. We're gonna get straight to it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. It should be up right now. You can read along with me. Air Jordan 4 Black Cat returns November 2025. All right. Official images of the 2025 Air Jordan 4 Black Cat have now been added below. The pair returns with its signature all-black finish and classic Nike Air branding on the heel. Staying faithful to the original 1989 design that drew inspiration from MJ's Black Cat nickname, expected the release to go down on Black Friday, November 28th. Yeah, like I won't be here. I won't be here. I would be back home. Me and Classic, which is over there right there. Classic, say what up. He's on his phone. You know how kids are. He ain't paying me no mind. But me and Classic will be going home to Baltimore to be with my mom and her husband and his family on Thanksgiving. So I am going to stop through New York while I'm up there too. So, but yeah, I won't be here for the 28th. But yeah. But I am getting the shoe. All right. 4 family sizes available. What is this? Okay. All right, this is the original story. Celebration of the 40th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4 line, Jordan Brand is set to re-release one of the most beloved colorways. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I never understood why this was like so popular. I get it's an all-black shoe and you can wear this for anything. I had the black cats that came out like 2 years ago. I think the last time they dropped was 2-3 years ago, and I sat on them for a long time, and then I wound up getting rid of them. To this one kid, shout out to David, that I've been dealing with. I used to coach him. He used to be one of my players, and he's definitely a reseller. But whenever I'm done with my shoes, I usually just go through him. I don't like the whole little going through like a bunch of different people. And I always get rid of all my shoes in bulks. So like I never just sell one shoe. I always sell like at least a minimum 10 shoes or something like that. But anyway, where we at? Black Hat. Original release in 2006. The Air Jordan 4 Black. I did not have my pairs since 2006. Did I? I can't remember. Thanks, Black Hat 2025 returns this year with its all-black design, known for a sleek, stealthy look and versatile appeal. The Black Cat Air Jordan 4 was inspired by one of Michael Jordan's many nicknames, Black Cat. I didn't even know that was one of Michael Jordan's nicknames. Which references his agile, panther-like movements on the court. The shoe features a predominantly black color scheme with black suede upper, black netting, and black midsoles, all contributing to its underslated yet powerful aesthetics. Designs allow the silhouette of the Air Jordan 4 to take center stage, making it a go-to option for sneakerheads who appreciate a more subtle look. Detail. I don't know why I said detail. Black Cat Jordan 4, 25 details. The 2025 retro release of the Black Cat will bring back the beloved design with an updated shape that closely resembles the original release. You know, I'm gonna be real with you. I guess I'm not really a sneakerhead because when they say they bring back like original shapes and stuff like that, I don't even see the difference. I don't even know the difference. I mean, I guess I'm just not that big of a sneakerhead like that. They all look the same to me. I know sometimes they're like, I think it'd be a little bit higher than the original shapes or lower. They cut different. I don't know. They all look the same. Fans of the sneaker can expect the same premium materials and attention to detail that made the Black Cat a standout in the Air Jordan lineup. The retro will also feature the iconic Nike Air heel tabs, forever cementing its place in the pantheon of classic Air Jordan releases. Set to release on November 28, 2025, the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat will be available in selected Jordan Brand retailers and store online and on Nike.com, priced at $220. That's about right. This drop is sure to be a must-have for collectors and fans alike. Okay. Yeah, some more pictures if you want to see some more pictures. Yeah, okay, boom. Whenever I get down to the model guy, I always stop. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, because they always wear like a fit that doesn't look like something that somebody really would wear. But anyway, damn, did they really come out? No, they didn't come out 2006. No. When was the last time that the 4s dropped? Because I just had those. This is not all of the last time. 2006 was not the last time that they dropped. So I did not have that shoe for that long. And if I did, no, it wasn't 2006 because I moved to California in 2005. So yeah. When was the last time they dropped? Let me look it up real quick. Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. Last release. Let's put that. Let me see. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, last release. Okay, so 2020. That's what it was. Okay, it says this is a recent release following a 2020 release and the original debut in 2006. So it only came out 2 times prior to this. The first time it came out was 2006. It came out in 2020. That's the pair I had. I was like, I had a pair. Like I know I had a pair, and I sat on it for at least like 3 years. 4 years. I think I just recently got rid of them probably like 2 years ago. So okay, all right, now that makes sense. So, anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below. Is this a cop or drop for y'all? This is definitely a cop for me. A cop for the keep too. Like I think I'm starting to get back in shoes now. I think my passion for sneakers is starting to come back a little bit. And it started yesterday with the Kobe's and the Air Jordan 11 pickups that I did. If you can go check out that video, it'll be after the end of this video. You can go check that out. Leave a like for that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pick it up. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if you're gonna go get this. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, for me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks, and the whole Tune squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.